कंगना रनौत की इमरजेंसी है the most talked about movie of 2024. The film is set to release on September 6. To know more, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. कंगना Ranaut's starrer Emergency is in the news. The film has been getting all the love since it has been announced. Everyone is eagerly waiting to see the story and know more about that phase. The trailer of the film released a few days back and has grabbed all the attention. People have been appreciating the performances in the film already and are super excited to know more about it. The story of Emergency is about India's former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and her rise to power after the death of her father Jawaharlal Nehru. The movie talks about the emergency phase that was one of the darkest times of India. A lot of things have been said about the movie and fans are eagerly waiting to know what is the story in detail. The film also stars Anupam Kher, Mahima Chaudhary, Milind Soman, Shreyas Talpade, Vishak Nair and the late Satish Kaushik. Emergency is set to release on September 6. However, even before its release, कंगना Ranaut starrer has achieved this big thing. Emergency 2024 की most anticipated Bollywood movie बनी है Book My Show ऐप पे और सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, Emergency ने कई big upcoming movies को beat किया है जैसे कि सिंघम अगेन, भूल भुलैया 3 and Baby John. Well, ये बहुत ही बड़ी बात है कि Emergency tops the list जिसमें रोहित शेट्टी की सिंघम अगेन सेकंड नंबर पे है और कार्तिक आर्यन स्टारर भूल भुलैया 3 थर्ड प्लेस पे है. Badass राजकुमार on the fourth place and Welcome 3 on the fifth place. वरुण धवन स्टारर Baby John is on the sixth spot on the show. Well, ये तो थी फिल्म की बात, लेकिन कंगना रनौत ने एक इंटरव्यू में अपने लाइफ की लोएस्ट फेज की भी बात की और कहा था कि डिस्पाइट रिसीविंग प्रेज फॉर रोल्स एज अ गैंगस्टर, एज अ schizophrenic and a drug addict supermodel among others, she struggled for work. Ranaut reveals that her career experienced a setback for years, during which she was constantly told she was a good actor but it didn't work in her favor. The actress claimed that there was a pervasive belief that an actress like her could not fit into the film industry. During a low phase, कंगना Ranaut recalls moving to the US, where she bought a house in Calabasas, hired an agent and shot a short film. She says the system in the film industry forces a promising talent like her to leave. However, the release of Queen in 2014 completely transformed Ranaut's life. The actress believes that it was the time when the audience wanted to see authentic stories rather than those with foreign influences. The actress also reveals that this period coincided with the election of Narendra Modi as Prime Minister, which instilled in her a renewed sense of freedom and power with her own country. Well, coming back to her latest film Emergency, जो कि रिलीज हो गई 6 September को, and talking about Singham Again and Bhool Bhulaiya 3, the movies will be releasing in Diwali this year. It seems it will be a big clash of these two films. Both the movies have been the most talked about one and have a huge fan following. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि कंगना की फिल्म बॉक्स ऑफिस पर टॉप कर पाएगी? Do let us know your views in the comment section below and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.